ជំរាបសួរនេះខ្ញុំឈ្មោះស្រីប៉ៅនេះខ្ញុំគឺជាសមាជិកក្រុមជំនុំបាសឺប៉ាពីហើយក៏ជាអ្នកសម្ដែងមហាវិទ្យាល័យព្រះគម្ពីរហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំពិតជាស្វាគមន៍ដែលមានការធ្វើជាវីដេអូមួយចាត់រំលែកពីលោកវិសាលការបម្រើព្រះអង្គក្នុងប៉ុនកិច្ចហើយខ្ញុំមានចំណែកបម្រើព្រះអង្គក្នុងប៉ុនកិច្ចសម្រាប់នៅជំនុំលោកខ្ញុំកុំកាប់ពីយូរទៅស្ដាប់ឃើញមានក្មេងប្រុសម្នាក់មានក្មេងប្រុសម្នាក់តែគាត់ដើរនេះ
មួយដល់នៅខមួយចាំមកថ្ងៃមកថាអស់ពេលមកថ្ងៃជំពូក91
Hi, thank you, Sripo, for wanting me to be your interviewer. So I'm here to answer some questions. I would like to share my salvation testimony. I got saved at a young age. I was 6 years old. I remember being on the side of my grandma's bed and making a prayer and confession and faith for Jesus to save me from my sins. My grandma was my spiritual leader at the time. I had parents, but my mom was working full-time and my dad was in and out of the house. And when my grandma would discipline me, she was always corrective and she would use the Bible to help me understand that what I was doing was a sin. And on top of that, she would teach me the penalty of sin and that my sin deserves punishment and justice. But she would always come back to the gospel and that Jesus Christ came on this earth to die for my sins. I've been blessed to grow up underneath my grandma and my family, which are Christians, to hear the gospel at a young age and to be raised in church. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity to now be a teacher. So I teach at a Christian school, teach 4th graders, and many of my students are also underneath a Christian home. And I'm grateful to have been part of a Christian home, to hear the gospel at the young age that I was, and I want to be the same influence my grandma was to me to the next generation. I'm glad that Sripo asked about repentance. Repentance defined is a change of mind, which is a change of actions, which is a change of heart. And repentance is important for salvation. The sinner needs to understand that they can no longer be walking the same path for salvation, but they need to turn around and put their faith in Jesus Christ alone for the forgiveness of their sins. So I got to do that when I was young, and I pray that the next generation will have the same opportunity. Thank you.
អំពីក្មេងទាំងអស់ពួកយើងមានគោលបំណងចង់ញ៉ាំនំហើយពួកយើងចេះតែទៅពួកយើងអត់ស្វែងអត់ដែលស្វែងរកព្រះតាមពិតគោលបំណងទី1ពួកយើងឃើញសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់របស់គាត់ហើយមួយទៀតពួកយើងឃើញនំតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងអរគុណ
ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសេណាដែលសារប្រគុណព្រះរងបានសង្គ្រោះខ្ញុំតាំងពីខ្ញុំអាយុ12ឆ្នាំដល់ឥឡូវ
អរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសម្រាប់ការចំណាយពេលទស្សនាវីដេអូបាយមិញហើយវីដេអូនេះផងដែរយើងធ្វើឡើងដើម្បីក្នុងគោលបំណងដើម្បីជំរុញនិងលើកទឹកចិត្តគ្នាឲ្យនៅតែបន្តស្មោះត្រង់ហើយមានចំណែកនៅក្នុងបណ្ឌកិច្ចផ្សេងៗមិនថាបងប្អូនមានចំណែកនៅក្នុងការបម្រើព្រះអង្គនៅក្នុងបណ្ឌកិច្ចតាកែវបណ្ឌកិច្ចផ្សារត្រាយបណ្ឌកិច្ចកំពង់ស្ពឺបណ្ឌកិច្ចព្រៃភ្នៅឬសម្រោងឬត្រពាំងអញ្ចាញឬផ្សេងៗទៀតប៉ុន្តែសូមឲ្យយើងនៅតែបន្តក្នុងការធ្វើវាដល់អស់ចេញពីចិត្តព្រោះយើងធ្វើដើម្បីថ្វាយសិរីលោកទៅកាន់ព្រះអង្គម្ចាស់ហើយប្រាប់គេអំពីព្រះអង្គហើយចង់អំពាវនាវឲ្យបងប្អូននៅតែស្មោះត្រង់ហើយបន្តដំណើរទៅមុខទៀតដើម្បីស្វែងរកពលឹងវិញ្ញាណរបស់មនុស្សបាត់បង់ផងដែរអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនា